Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ivan Bunde. If you're new here, welcome to this family. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. So let's get right into the point. Today I want to do a hair tutorial. It's not what you expect, but well, I'll be doing a pre-poo and show you the whole process of how I do it. Yeah, so I'll be showing you how I mix my oils and my aloe vera plant. You know that liquid that you find in the aloe vera? Well, I did do a video which is coming right up to show you how I prepare it and how I apply to my hair. So this is our aloe vera leaf, which we are going to cut into slices. Make sure you remove the part where it was attached to the plant, and then you remove the sharp edges. That enables you not to be pricked when you're working with it, because it really does have sharp edges. And then we are going to cut into halves. You do that for each and every one of the slices that you have. Now this is a baby aloe vera leaf. I got it from my sister's garden. Yeah, that's the juice that we want to extract. Now aloe vera is aloe vera, whether a baby plant or the big plant. Of course the bigger one has more juice, but this will work for now. So we will extract all the juice into our bowl. Make sure you repeat for each and every slice that you have. You get your sieve and another bowl, so you sieve in to get the juice. Just like I'm doing here. Make sure you get all the juice out, and then you will throw away what will be left. You see that extract there? You will throw it away. That one we will not be using. Yeah, take your coconut oil. Here I put in 3 spoons of coconut oil. Then I took my olive oil and added there as well. I added 1 teaspoonful. Make sure you mix well. And then you'll take your applicator bottle and if you have a funnel, it will help. Then we are going to heat our water and then transfer it into a sufuria, or if you have a bowl, make sure you heat the oil inside. So in here is the DIY oils that I will prep my hair with. So this is how my hair is looking. I haven't really left the house since when? Since last week, and since then my hair has been like this, and today I'll be washing it. So before I wash my hair, I do a hot oil treatment to my hair, and today this is it. And I got this from town. The boys road is the plug. So I got this. It has some sort of a comb on the front. This will enable me, you know, to go really. Oh, and I got these satins from I Am Quality Collections. They have these bonnets and they go for 350. Not the best quality. It's super light, but it's okay. It's good for 350. It's okay, and it doesn't come out at night because of this band. I got 2 of these sometimes last year, and they serve me well. So where was I? As I was saying, this help penetrate when you have such braids, or you know, so it will help get into the hair. Oh, and make sure you don't make a mess, because this, like all of them have holes. That means the product that is going to be emitted will be a lot. So really, and also check the temperature of the oil before you put it on your scalp, because you can really get burnt if you never check the temperature beforehand. So you can really get burnt. So what I do is just go in and make sure you massage. So I am taking a little bit, and I want to make sure that the ends are also saturated. Really massage your scalp. And if you feel there are some places that didn't get enough of the oils, you go back in. One of the keys to growing your hair is massaging your scalp, because that enables blood circulation, which also enables in growth. Do this to your hairline as well. I made about 20 ounces, so I'm just going to use all of it. super saturated. So I will cover this for as long as I want to, until I go wash my hair. And because I don't want to stay with that on there, the shower cap on there, I will also go in with my bonnet on top of that. This will help in retain the heat and for the oils to do what they do best until I go and shampoo my hair. So now that we are at the end of the video, let me say thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you for watching my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Bye.